Hi guys, it's me Mary, and today's video we are going to be doing a fun little product review on my tweezer collection. So this first tweezer that I have here in my hand is my precious Ephemera tweezer, and this is great for volume application. So our dear Ephemera tweezers will always be a memorabilia to all of us lash artists worldwide, closely related to the boot tweezer, but better because she is cute and petite for that sweet old pinch method grip. She is also a great tweezer to start off with when beginning your lash journey. She'll never fail you. This next tweezer that I have up in my hand is called Flower Press, and she is great for volume application and isolation. Our very popular Flower Press tweezers are amazing for both application and isolation. She can easily grip and create wide open fans. That's why we call her Flower Press. She can also bouquet any fan by the swiftness of her touch. Next up we have Hookup, and she is a great tweezer for classic and light volume, because she is a nice little J curve, so she grips really well. Next up we have Red Sea, and she is great for isolation because she has that nice dolphin curve to her. The reason why I named this the Red Sea is because just like when God used Moses to part the Red Sea, these ISO tweezers will do the same exact thing for lashes. I used to love straight ISO tweezers for isolation, but now I can't stop and won't stop using these Red Sea tweezers. Last but not least in my collection are my holy grail, the Mare Bear tweezers. These are my OG tweezers, and this is great for everything classic volume and mega volume application. These tweezers are hands down my OGs. I've been using this type of style tweezers ever since I started lashing 5 years ago. These tweezers are my babies because the uniqueness of the shape makes it amazingly easy to navigate and maneuver throughout their lash line. By the way, before this video ends, I just want to mention that my sold out now glue called Memory Keeper pairs so well with my tweezer collection here. So follow my Instagram at HXM Lash Boutique for updates. So that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please comment down below what you guys want to see next. Give this video a thumbs up. Stay subscribed to be notified, and I'll catch you in the next video.